your criticisms of crypto are valid. For a very long time, all we have is nihilism. All we have is, PvP, extraction. So everyone, no one had hope in crypto anymore. And all of a sudden, we posted about a 72 billion parameter run, and it caught fire. So I thought, you know what, this is the biggest thing because people are saying Templar, finally validates not just BitTensor, but even the larger crypto, like finally a use for crypto. So that was good. That was good. So what did we achieve? It's for us, I don't know, just a little bit of an aside. For me, I believed in Bitcoin. It failed me. So when I came to BitTensor, I found the decentralized trading. And the idea of decentralized trading is humanity's last bastion. It's the final boss. But when I started, it seemed like such a joke. And to have it finally, to test it at scale, I mean, make no mistake, we're not delusional. We still have a very, very long way to go. But, it's like, finally people are like, okay, it's a bit slow, but this thing could have legs. We've had it validated by, different people, academia, Jack Clark from Anthropic, because even if you look, so we've got mentioned by Jack Clark from Anthropic twice. Beginning, it's more skeptical. The second is less skeptical.
Right. Just to explain this, there was a bit of a technical breakthrough here. You trained this 72 billion parameter model across this Tau subnet 3, I think you are. And people as part of the Templar project solved and they ran local optimized steps, compressed, and then shared the updates. And then you put it all back together and you basically trained a significant model, which a company like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Kimi, they would have spent a bunch of money using a bunch of computer hardware to do this. You did it. And how much did it cost you to build that model?
So the cost over the run is about 2-3 million. But again, it's very important to be clear. Yeah. It's not a frontier model. It's nowhere near, and it's closer to Llama 2, which is the frontier 2 years ago. Right. So we're still far off from the frontier, but we are moving so quickly because in the space of 9 months, we've managed to go from 1.2 billion parameters to 72 billion. Yeah. So it's more about the story of
so the progress is significant. You're ramping up. And back to the cost. The cost I'm interested in. You said 2 or 3 billion. I'm not sure. 2 or 3 billion.
No, million.
Oh, $2 or $3 million. How
rich do you think? Yeah, how rich do you think I am?
No. $2 to $3 million in Tau was distributed to the miners. Explain what the cost was to do this.
So if we take away team cost, which is negligible, the biggest cost is just running the miners. Now, the exact number is like how much we pay out to the people that we're paying out to, how much we pay out in the mission. And if we tally it, it's about 2 to 3 million.
Circle is the best place on the internet to start growing your online community. There, I said it. You know why? Because I tried to find a community platform for my Founder University and for my Angel University programs, and we couldn't find one. After we started digging and digging, we found the perfect solution, circle.so. It has all the most amazing features, like you can put in a course, like you have a CRM, you can do email, you have chat rooms and message boards. It is amazing. Whether you're selling a course or you're building a community based on a topic, or maybe you're starting a book club, maybe you're a coach, maybe you have a business, and maybe you want to build a community for everybody to get together and learn and share information. It's all inside of Circle. How do I know this? My team did a bake-off. Once we started finding these platforms, it was like a Frankenstein. All these different pieces, nobody had put them all together until Circle. And Circle's going to put it together for you. To get started, go to circle.so/twist and get $1,000 off the Circle Plus plan. That's circle.so/twist.